Hey guys, welcome to Project Carone. My name is Kathit Pandya and I'm the founder of Newrotimes. Newrotimes is a student-led organisation that aims to bridge the gap between university students and the working world. We would like to inspire you to share ideas, explore new concepts and address pressing issues in the world. We publish weekly articles and projects to educate our readers about relevant issues ranging from engineering to finance. Since its inception in Wuhan, COVID-19, better known as coronavirus, has become a global epidemic unlike any other. With over 422,000 confirmed cases in at least 197 countries, there isn't an area worldwide that is unaffected by the coronavirus in some way, shape or form. With so much misinformation being spread through social media and certain news outlets, my team and I at Newrotimes decided to publish 2 articles covering the symptoms of coronavirus, a tutorial on how to wear a mask, as well as the financial impact it has had on students. So, let me tell you guys a bit more about myself. Currently, I'm studying mechanical engineering at the University of Warwick. I chose to study engineering in hope to one day create something that would make a difference and help people. With over 29,000 confirmed cases in the UK, there are 347 cases in my local borough, Harrow. One big problem I noticed was the amount of people that were panic buying, which not only placed an unprecedented strain on supermarket retailers, but also limited the community's access to essential products. According to the NHS, Harrow has one of the highest proportions of those aged 65 and over compared to other boroughs in northwest London. Since the elderly remain the most vulnerable to the virus, I decided to create Project Carone. Carone is a small drone that is able to transport food and other essentials such as masks, toilet roll, soap, hand wash and sanitizers. By attaching a bag onto the hook, the drone is able to travel to the destination and place the bag on the front doorstep. This is a great example of using contact-free delivery to help each other out during these rough times and support those in need. Reaching a small distance of only 25 meters, I was still able to complete 15 deliveries in my local area. This idea stemmed from Amazon's Prime Air drones and how we use modern-day technology to efficiently transport packages. So I started planning. From a simple sketch of a motor that was connected to a gear, I managed to create numerous sketches of the various parts of the drone. From the casing to the circuit diagram to the calculations of how much weight the drone could carry, I mapped out all the key factors and produced a final design. This was it. With no funding or assistance, I took it upon myself to use materials and parts I had access to in order to make it. After weeks of planning and facing many technical problems along the way, I managed to create Carone. From the initial test, you can see that the drone is so small but also powerful, with 2 motors powering the propellers. The drone is small and portable, it can carry up to 400 grams. I completed a grand total of 15 deliveries, transporting essentials ranging from food to hand wash and hand sanitizers. Here you can see my first delivery, as well as my last delivery. The LED lights were switched on at night to make the drone visible in order to avoid any accidents. The future. I plan on creating a larger drone so it can carry more weight, that way entire meals can be transported to those that are in need. On my website www.hypefit.co.uk, I'll be creating a service allowing people to send their location and what they need, allowing me to efficiently send the correct items to them. The drones will be set up in different areas and will be controlled by my team. Furthermore, I am in the process of organising online events in order to raise donations for the NHS, as they work so hard to help us every day. Here's how you can help us. We have set up a GoFundMe page to raise money for the expansion of Project Carone and the NHS. The goal is to raise £1,000. £500 will be used to expand Project Carone to more areas, and £500 will be donated to the NHS in order to help them out. All donations are much appreciated. Thank you so much. I hope you guys can like, share, stay home and be safe.